Get this wrong and you're debugging awk scripts at 2 a.m., trying to figure out why your pattern scanning isn't working as expected. What it does. The AWK command is a powerful text processing tool in Linux that allows you to perform pattern scanning, field processing, and report generation on text files. It is a scripting language that enables you to write programs that can manipulate and analyze data in a flexible and efficient way. AWK is particularly useful for working with structured data, such as log files, CSV files, and other types of text files that contain data in a specific format. Command/example. Breaking it down. Let's break down the AWK command and its various components. The basic syntax of an AWK command is AWK pattern action file. The pattern is a regular expression that is used to match lines in the file, and the action is a set of commands that are executed when a line matches the pattern. The file is the input file that AWK reads from. In the first example, print $1 is the action that prints the first column of the file. The $1 is a special variable in AWK that refers to the first field of the current line. In the second example, /error/ is the pattern that matches lines that contain the word error, and print $0 is the action that prints the entire line. The $0 is a special variable in AWK that refers to the entire line. In the third example, sum plus equals $2 and print sum is the action that calculates the sum of the second column. The end keyword is a special pattern in AWK that matches the end of the file, and print sum is the action that prints the sum. Common mistakes. One common mistake that beginners make when using AWK is not understanding how AWK splits lines into fields. By default, AWK splits lines into fields using witty space characters, such as spaces and tabs. However, this can be changed by setting the fs variable, which stands for field separator. For example, if you want to split lines into fields using commas, you can set fs to. Another common mistake is not understanding how AWK handles regular expressions. AWK uses a different syntax for regular expressions than other programming languages, such as Perl or Python. For example, in AWK, the character matches the beginning of a line, and the character matches the end of a line. Try this next. Try using AWK to extract data from a log file. For example, you can use AWK to extract the IP addresses from a log file that contains web server logs. You can use the following command. This will print the IP addresses from the log file. You can also use AWK to extract other types of data from the log file, such as the date and time of each request, or the URL that was requested. Pro tip: when using AWK in production, it's a good idea to use the F option to specify the AWK script file. This allows you to keep your AWK scripts separate from your data files, and makes it easier to manage and maintain your scripts. For example, you can create a file called awk_script. AWK that contains your AWK script, and then use the following command to run the script. This will run the AWK script on the example text file and produce the desired output.